Look at this big spider we just found. Oh, we can see him better from over here, but he's right over there. Ooh, check this bad boy out. He looks so small on camera, but he's really not that small. What is up? I hope you are out there being great. Today we are going to be putting a splitter on, I say splitter, what do you call this? Lip. A lip on Dylon's car. So here's the front of the car now. He just got his new tag. And if you'll notice from the last video, we had custom bumper on this, and now it's back to the stock bumper. And that would be because I moved to a new place to live, and when he was leaving out of the driveway, he missed the driveway at night and it fell off in the culvert. When it did, it busted the old bumper all up. So if you look here, it got it pretty good there, around here, it got it in the middle over here. It just made it look worse than the stock one, which now he's blocked a way of getting in. So here is the lip that we're going to be putting on it, and it's supposed to just bolt up to that, and it should give the stock bumper a better look over, you know, make it look as good if not better than the one that's sitting outside. Another thing that he did recently was put this black vinyl across the top, cover up some of the spots that were there before. So we're going to set the time lapse up and throw this thing on here. Damn it, boy. The wheels? Yeah. Yeah. Looks good. Do what? I'm back up to the shop. There's the Fox body. It's covered up right now. It needs to have some things fixed on it. Oh, I just stepped on a big ass rock. That hurt. YFZ and all their projects. What in the hell are you doing? You're good and straight. Yeah, it is.
Can't even see the focus parts. Might as well just wrap the rest of the black.
No, you can't see them at all. There's not like one right there, one right there. Right for the bumper. Hold on. Let me get my camera ready. You fucked up. Nice try, buddy.
Oh, you want to try again?
Yeah, I want you to try again. I'm trying to hold the camera. Oh, he's getting it.
Oh, we fucked bouncing.
He's twerking.
Start twerking like Miley.
Country girl twerk.
That zip tie can't handle this.
Twerking like Miley.
So in the last video, we had a little like update video where I was explaining everything that has changed and come about since the COVID stuff started. But I left one thing out that I know of. So I'm gonna get Dylon to hold the camera, and I will be right back with it. And it's dead. So, donut and then a couple of wheelies. I can't get the wheelies yet. I'm trying, but I got the donut thing. It just looks retarded when I do it. You want to do that right here?
Yeah, all in it. Do it again.
Do it again.
That thing stinks, dude.
But in true 11's down fashion, this won't be ours until we get a burnout. We've got to go out in a circle and get one good burnout.
No.
Come on.
Because the burn.
Ain't no concrete right here.
Tie that dirt up.
We can't do one out on the road.
Bro, that thing is fucking grass everywhere.
I just ran over my foot.
We gotta get a really aggressive top. We need to swap the fronts and the backs.
Fronts in the back. Hold on.
Hey. I flew through the web. Cody, jump on the other side and get that creek.
Oh yeah, that's one of them. Yeah.
I don't even see the cricket. You just hopped under that white thing right here. Right there by your foot.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
What'd you just do?
Cut my hand open.
That's what we get for messing with a spotter. Just follow the trail of blood. We have our first injury.
Down in my nasty house.
Bleeding good, eh?
Yeah, he's popping broken. Just hold pressure.
Drink a little bit of it. Well, now that we've had an injury, I guess we'll end the video here with little Miss Ruby. Ruby! 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 This is Dylon's dog, by the way. Let's get a closer shot. Ruby! Ruby! Don't run from me. Come here. Come here, girl. Ruby! You don't listen for shit. Ruby! There she is. There she is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Oh. We'll cover the burnout in the next video. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification button if you want to see more from my content. And until next time, be great.